So I'm about to start doing some maintenance to my sharpening stone. This is from Shapton. It's just very simple. You just make some lines, something like this, just with the pencil. Some people like to do something like this. It really doesn't matter. I just try to be more precise in the maintenance. And after that, just place it on the holder, put some water. Well, it seems like this because I already polished two of them, and this is the third one and the last. So I start with the rough side. So this is the purpose of drawing some lines in the stone. So you can see where you already clean and what is missing. It's just very simple. Clearly I need to do more. See some lines in there, but you see all around is already clean. So we still need to work a little bit more in order to just disappear these lines. Just a little bit more around here. Now with this part, it's pretty much almost the end. I like to do the flat side of the stone. Just be gentle, you don't have to push that much. You can like feel it where is everything working and about to finish. You can always stop to check. It's almost done, it's just a tiny spot in here. Alright, you see it takes less than 5 minutes. Just make sure it's clean. Ta-da! Less than 5 minutes. I'm ready to work again. Thank you guys.